Hey, Carl, how you doing? Yeah, thanks for having me on.
Good.
And I think that's about right. I think you're watching the same thing I am, but we've got about 3.3 million shares paired at this moment. Like to get around anywhere from 10 to 20% of the offering size, so there's still some work to do.
Talk about, this is an important one, and the degree to which there's either additional pressure on you or additional precautions you're taking to make sure it's smooth.
Well, we've been, we test our systems all the time. We've done over this year, we'll do probably about 300 IPOs. The last 5 years, we've done over 1,000. So we're constantly testing. We always test the capacity levels, et cetera. And this is obviously a very big deal for the marketplace, but something we're very well prepared for. And it's going very smoothly.
Nelson, it's Deirdre. My eyes keep darting over to the indicated price as well. I can see yours looking at it.
Yeah.
This is arguably, the most anticipated IPO of the year. Did your presence in San Francisco help you win this to the Nasdaq exchange? And I wonder how you guys are positioning yourselves ahead of a few other big Bay Area tech companies that we expect to see to go public next year, like Stripe and Instacart.
Yeah, we love our presence in San Francisco. I have roughly 50-plus employees in the Bay Area. And I think this is just a testament to Airbnb and how well they performed this year in such an unprecedented year. So the markets are, if you would have asked us, again, back in March, if we would have seen these close to 300 IPOs, we would have, not believed, no one would believe that, right? So we're in a pretty unique moment. We think we'll have over 14 IPOs on Nasdaq alone that'll raise north of $1 billion. That's 60% of those offerings. We are lining up a very, very robust Q1. And I can tell you a lot of deals that we're looking at the end of next year, maybe Q4 deals, have moved up to a Q2 timeframe. So it's a very open IPO market. Stocks are performing very well, and we do expect that to continue.
Nelson, I can't remember a head fake like this one in the IPO market ever. Give us some color if you can. Tell us how the conversation changed leading up to this season, and a look forward at how, for those companies that are trying to get closer into that Q1, Q2 timeframe, what their thinking is and what their process is that they're accelerating.
Yeah, sure. So I think you know the story that when the market really stopped in March, a handful of companies that were brave enough, that were already on file, decided to test this new way of going public with the online roadshows, and that is about a 4-day process. I think the banking community did a tremendous job, and then you had the markets perform, very well. Now, initially, it was more pinpointed towards technology, towards growth, healthcare, but it actually has been a pretty broad-based, sector-driven IPO market. So, again, you saw success beget success, and you have the average IPO is up over 50% this year, versus the Nasdaq Composite at 40 and the S&P at 15. So you've seen, again, just a tremendous amount of investor enthusiasm for the IPO market. And I think that is, we do know, I've been doing this, been involved with Nasdaq for 20 years, and windows do open and close. Right now, there's clearly a window. And so I think if you are a private company and you also have this optionality of the SPAC market, the IPO market, potentially direct listing with a capital raise, you are looking at being public being very attractive because it does give you that access to currency. And, we're really enthusiastic. We talk to companies, and they really are excited to be a public company these days.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.